slices of mango pancakes with cocoa or chocolate icing, toppings with desiccated coconut. Ayan, slice natin ang aking ginawang mango pancakes. Ayan. Wow. Ayan, oh. Ganda. And then, ayan. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make mango pancakes. So these are all the ingredients. I have to use this one 1 cup 336 ml. So I have to measure this one. And this is mashed mango, two pieces of medium size of ripe mango. I use fork to mash this one, and I did not put already machine. So now I have to put this flour, and then this half teaspoon of salt, and this is baking powder 1 teaspoon. So we have to mix this one like that. And then this is sugar, half cup of sugar. This is only my own version, and we have to put also drops of vanilla syrup. And then I have 2 organic eggs, and we have to put also 1 tablespoon of or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then next I have to put this milk. I have this milk pack, half cup of milk pack, and I use this eggs. This is organic eggs from our chicken. Yan. Now we have to mix. Now, sit aside muna natin ito or leave this one for almost 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Ayan. This is my first time to make mango pancake. So let's see kung anong result nito. Ayan, mainit na itong mantika, kaya start na tayong gawa ng pancake. Mango pancake. And then change side natin ito mamaya. I already turned side, so ito yung first na gawa kong mango pancake. Ayan. So another batch. Lagyan natin ng oil. Umuulan. Yesterday, rain also, and now again rain. Kaya naririnig nyo yung ano, yung ingay na ulan. Ito yung second pancake. Ayan. The same procedure until finish this. Anong tawag dito? Itong minix kong pancake. Ewan ko ilang piraso ito. Lakas ng ulan. Mas malakas kahapon. Pero okay lang pag ganito ang ulan, normal lang. Hindi naman masyado yung malakas masyado. Occupy natin lahat itong ano, kawali para the same ang size. Cooking mango pancake. Ito pang third na ito. Ito yung nagawa ko dalawa. Ito pa yung aking gagawin. First time ko ito gumawa ng mango pancake na flavor. Yung silangga. Masaya. Cooking cocoa or chocolate icing. So I use only 1.5 tablespoon of this one, and then 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and 3 tablespoon of sugar, and then half cup of water. Now I have to cook this one until become sticky. I already opened the flame. It's very easy to make icing. You can use this one any kind of cake, pancakes, or any kind of baking. Any kind of flavor of cakes, mango cakes, banana cakes, apple cakes, and carrot cakes. Anything you have to cook cakes, if you want to use this icing, you can use this one. And it's very easy to cook this kind of icing, and very easy also to cook. In 5 minutes you can cook this one. This is ready. Katamtaman lang ang ano, ang lapot niya, ang sticky niya. Ayan. So it's already cooked, this one. Now we have to turn off the flame. Ayan. Ayan, tama lang yung ano, pagka ano. Konti lang yung aking ginawa. Pang icing ko ito sa ano, sa ginawa kong mango pancakes. Ayan. So we have to leave this one until become cold. Tapos ipalaman natin, icing natin sa ano, pancakes na mango flavor. Ito lahat yung aking nagawa, 7 pieces, 1, 2, 3, basta 7 pieces ito. Ito naman yung aking chocolate or cocoa icing, and this is desiccated coconut. So what I have to do is ganyan, ipalaman ko dito. I-icing ko dito sa Tapos yung ano naman yung iba. Ibaliktad ko ito tapos dito. Sandali. Ganyan ko na lang nga para ano. Para hindi mahirap. And then yung dito naman. So ito nilagay ko na yung chocolate o cocoa icing and then desiccated coconut. So ayan na. 7 layers of mango pancake. Ayan na, icingan ko na ang pancake, mango pancakes with desiccated coconut. So ayan, 7 pieces ito, 7 layers na mango pancakes. So ano, slice natin ito para matikman natin kung anong lasa. Ayan, tikman natin ang aking ginawang homemade na 7 layers mango pancakes with cocoa icing, toppings with desiccated coconut. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano, oh, yung ano, pagka layer. So tikman natin, tapos patikim ko din si Langga. Ayan. Ayan. Para sa inyo itong lahat. Ayan, oh. Bismillah, wala barakatila. Big bite. Sarap. Pwede nyo i-partner sa kape o kaya soft drinks, Pepsi, Dio, Merinda. Basta bahala na kayo sa ano, pantulak.